Welcome to the new and improved Cash Flow Chronicles. Today we are doing things a little bit more different. I'm showing my face and I have an assistant to help me give you valuable information. Check it out.
Ever wondered how some people make money while they sleep?
You already know. That's what we are here for. To make that money passively and double up our assets over time.
Yes, it may seem like something out of a fairy tale, but it's very much a reality in the digital age. And one of the methods they use is called affiliate marketing. So, what's this affiliate marketing all about? Think of it as being a middleman, but in the digital world. You promote products or services for a company, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's like having a virtual store without the hassle of stocking products or handling deliveries. This passive income stream has gained popularity over the years, as it allows you to generate earnings around the clock, even when you're catching some Z's. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Stick around to learn how it all works.
We are definitely about to stick around and see what my guy is talking about.
We're just getting started on this fascinating journey into the world of affiliate marketing. So how does one become an affiliate marketer? Well, fear not, because we're going to break this down into 3 easy-to-follow steps: choosing a platform, finding an affiliate program, and creating content to promote products. Let's start with step 1, choosing a platform. This is where you'll be promoting your affiliate products. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, or even your social media accounts. The key is to choose a platform that you're comfortable with and where your target audience hangs out. Now on to step 2, finding an affiliate program. This involves doing a bit of research to find the right affiliate programs that align with your niche. There are thousands of programs out there, from Amazon's affiliate program to smaller, niche-specific programs. What you're looking for are programs that offer products your audience will be interested in and that offer a competitive commission rate. Finally, we have step 3, creating content to promote products. This is where the fun begins. You'll be creating engaging content that not only promotes the product but also provides value to your audience. This could be in the form of product reviews, how-to guides, or even storytelling. The goal is to create content that resonates with your audience and convinces them to click on your affiliate link and make a purchase. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is patience and consistency. You won't see results overnight, but with time and effort, you'll start to see your hard work pay off. And there you have it, folks. The affiliate marketing process simplified into 3 easy steps. It's not rocket science, but it does require a strategic approach and a good understanding of your audience. But don't worry, we'll be diving deeper into each of these steps in the upcoming scenes. Now that you know the steps, are you ready to dive deeper?
I must say I'm fairly impressed and trust I'm hooked. Hopefully, you are too. Let's dive deeper.
Deciding where to promote products is your first crucial step. Now let's delve into the popular platforms for affiliate marketing. First up, we have blogs. Blogs allow for comprehensive reviews, how-to guides, or listicles that can seamlessly incorporate affiliate links. If you're a natural writer, or if you're passionate about a subject that requires detailed explanation, this could be your winning ticket. Next, we have YouTube. Videos are an excellent medium for demonstrating products and providing a tangible experience for your audience. If you're comfortable in front of the camera or have a knack for video editing, YouTube could be your platform of choice. Then there's social media. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook are great for quick, catchy posts with affiliate links. If you're a social butterfly with a flair for creating engaging posts, social media could be your path to success. But wait, there's more. Podcasts are a growing platform for affiliate marketing. If you have a smooth voice, love to talk, or have interesting discussions, this could be your arena. And let's not forget about email marketing. This platform allows you to reach your audience directly in their inbox. If you have a knack for crafting enticing emails, this could be your golden opportunity. It's important to remember that you don't have to limit yourself to just one platform. You can combine platforms to maximize your reach and diversify your content. For example, you could start a blog and promote it on social media, or create a YouTube channel and embed the videos in your blog posts. However, the key is choosing a platform that aligns with your interests and skills. If you enjoy what you're doing, it will shine through in your work and your audience will respond to that authenticity. Plus, you'll be more motivated to stick with it and overcome any hurdles that come your way. In conclusion, your platform of choice will be a crucial determinant of your affiliate marketing success. Explore, experiment, and find the platform or combination of platforms that resonate with you. Remember, the right platform can make or break your affiliate marketing journey.
Money is always the motivation. However, if you've made it this far in the video, I value you just as much.
Next, you need to find products to promote, but how? The answer lies in choosing the right affiliate program. It's like finding a key to a treasure chest. But instead of gold and jewels, you'll be unlocking a world of products that you can promote and earn from. So, how do you find these programs? Start by identifying your audience's interests. If you have a platform about health and wellness, for instance, look for affiliate programs that offer high-quality health products or services. Next, think about your platform. Some programs may be better suited for certain platforms. For example, if your platform is a blog, you might find more success with a program that values in-depth product reviews. Now, here's an important tip. Don't just choose a program because it offers high commission rates. Yes, earning is a big part of why we do this, but remember your credibility is on the line. Promoting products that you don't believe in could harm your reputation and trust with your audience. That's why it's crucial to promote products that you genuinely believe in and would use yourself. It's not just about making a quick buck, it's about building a long-term relationship with your audience. And trust me, they can tell when you're being genuine and when you're not. Also, consider the support the affiliate program offers. Good affiliate programs provide resources that help you understand their products and market them effectively. They might offer banners, product images, or even pre-written emails. These resources can save you a lot of time and effort. Lastly, make sure to read the terms and conditions of the affiliate program. This might seem like a tedious task, but it's essential to understand what you're signing up for. It will help you avoid any future misunderstandings or disputes. So remember, finding the right affiliate program is a crucial step in your affiliate marketing journey. It's not just about the money, it's about building a relationship with your audience. So choose wisely and stay true to your audience.
Plus, I'm the king of this castle, Cashflow Chronicles. You know what to do. Join me on this journey of money, making videos just like this one.
You've got your platform and products, now what? Well, the answer is compelling content. In the world of affiliate marketing, content isn't just king, it's the entire kingdom. It's the bridge that connects you, your product, and your audience. Let's delve into why high-quality content is pivotal. Picture this, you're at a party and someone is trying to sell you a product. Would you be more likely to buy it if they just told you the price and the name? Or if they engaged you with a compelling story about it? Most people would choose the latter. The same principle applies to affiliate marketing. Now, on to creating that engaging content. First, understand your audience. What are their interests, their problems, their desires? The more you know about them, the better you can tailor your content to resonate with their needs and wants. Second, keep it relevant. Make sure your content aligns with the products you're promoting. If you're promoting gardening tools, for example, your content could be about how to grow a beautiful garden. Third, be honest and transparent. People appreciate authenticity. If you genuinely believe in the products you're promoting, it will show in your content and your audience will trust you more. Fourth, make your content engaging. Use storytelling, add humor, ask questions, create a narrative. The more engaging your content, the more likely your audience is to stick around and make a purchase. Lastly, don't forget the call to action. It's great to have engaging content, but without a clear call to action, your audience may not know what to do next. So guide them. Perhaps it's a link to purchase the product, or an invitation to sign up for a newsletter. Make it easy for them to take the next step. Remember, your content is the vessel that carries your affiliate marketing message. It's not just about selling a product, it's about building a relationship with your audience, providing value, and creating an experience that they'll want to come back to. Content is king, so make sure yours stands out. All right, we've covered a lot today, haven't we? We've unlocked the mystery of affiliate marketing, breaking it down into simple, digestible steps. Together, we've explored how to choose the perfect platform for you. Remember, it's all about finding where your audience hangs out and where you can best showcase your products or services. Next, we delved into the world of affiliate programs, guiding you on how to find the right one that aligns with your brand and target audience. It's all about the fit, folks. Lastly, we tackled the art of creating compelling content that not only attracts but also engages and converts your audience. Remember, content is king, so make it count. We hope you found this guide helpful, and thank you for sticking with us till the end. Now it's your turn to beat the subscribe button like it owes you money. Stay tuned for more tips on mastering the art of affiliate marketing.
Having help to create videos really makes my job easier. This was a good investment of my money in an extra video assistant. This guy even said my favorite catchphrase, beat that subscribe and like button like they owe you money. There's no telling what you will see in the next video. Just know it's about money. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.